operations in Jammu. Morning flights to and from Jammu airport have been delayed. No flight, I repeat, no flight operations till 11 a.m. as dense fog engulfs runway. Visibility dips below 100. I repeat, visibility dips below 100 meters in Jammu. No flights to take off. No flights to take off till 11 a.m. due to low visibility. This is the big update coming in right now, viewers, because North India has been reeling under very, very cold weather, severe cold wave conditions. And we are seeing that the cold wave has intensified in multiple areas. We are talking about Jammu right now. And we see this dense fog. I repeat, dense fog, especially in the Jammu area. Morning flights to and from Jammu airport have been delayed. And no flight operations till 11 a.m. as dense fog has engulfed runway. Visibility has dipped even further, lower and lower, viewers. We see that the dense fog has halted daily activities as well in multiple areas, especially in the north area. And we will try to connect to our colleague Gursimran. Okay, we have Gursimran. Gursimran, I'm coming across to you right now. You know, cold wave conditions. We can see cold wave conditions, and we can see there's a lot of fog behind you as well. If you could take our viewers through what the cold wave conditions are like and how it has impacted activities there.
See, Shivangi, on the second day of the year, the dense fog has engulfed the entire plains of the Jammu region, and especially when it comes to the air operations, they have been put to halt. Reason being that the visibility has dipped below the required 800 meters. At present, the visibility is below 100 meters. Right now, we are close to the runway of the Jammu airport. Here, only the barricadings of the runway that you can see. Beyond that, nothing is visible, and due to the same reason, all the flight operations till 11:30 have been put on halt. The next decision will be taken around noon because the present situation, the visibility does not allow any of the flight operations. Usually at the Jammu airport, the flight operations began at around 8:30 in the morning, but for now it has been delayed. Reason being that the low flight visibility. The airport authorities are now monitoring the situation. When can the flight operations be resumed? But the IMD has issued a warning that starting from January 4 for the next couple of days, there will be more strong western disturbances that will be taking an impact on ground, which means that there will be more dense fog that will be in the plains that will impact not only the air operations, but also the rail operations and also the local commuters that are moving on the roads. They are also facing the hardships. It's for the first time in this season that the visibility has dipped below the 100 meters mark, which makes it really very challenging. Not only the flight operations, the commercial flight operations, but also the security force operations, they have also been put to halt for now due to the ongoing situation, because less than 100-meter visibility clearly means that it is very challenging. I'll request Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals of the runway of the Jammu airport. These are from the north portal of the Jammu airport's landing area. This is the runway where all the flights that come from the national capital and from the valley, they land. But for now, dense fog has engulfed the entire stretch of around 1 kilometer. So no visibility can be seen, no flight landing for next couple of hours, and by noon, if the situation improves, only then there will be resumption of the flights, which for now seems really very challenging, because 200 and 250 meters have been quite normal in the winter days, but dipping below 100 meters visibility clearly means that the dense fog will prevail in the low regions, and there is no prediction of the rains that will take place, so as there can be some relief for the air operations for now. Shivangi.
Right. Okay. Thank you for joining us. Gursimran joining us live from the Jammu airport. We see that flight operations have been suspended for a short while because of dense fog.